What's up, guys? I'm here at Brian's One-to-One, and I'm going to show you a release technique for people that have tight hips today. I'm someone who has really tight hips, so I'm going to show you what to do exactly before you do your mobility work. It's important that you want to release all the tightness before engaging in your mobility work, so that way the muscle becomes loose, it becomes able to accept blood flow into that specified area, and it's going to help your hip mobility, guys. So something you can do is get a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball if you want less intensity. If you don't have either a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball, you can pick up a small little dumbbell and you can use either side of the dumbbell, okay? And you'll understand why when I demonstrate. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a lax ball, okay? I'm gonna put it on the floor, and I wanna put this lax ball right in my piriformis, okay? My piriformis is gonna be right on the outer thigh here on my glute, okay? So I really wanna put that lacrosse ball in there, and I wanna find that piriformis, and I wanna really put a lot of pressure there, and it should be pretty painful because you wanna release all the tension. Okay, it makes sense that it's going to be painful because that area is really tight and you want to release that tension and that tightness. Okay, so all I'm going to do is then take my right foot, I'm going to cross it over my knee, and then I'm going to begin to lean into that spot where it's really tight, okay? And I'm going to roll until I really find any knots because I want to get rid of any tension in those knots. So right there, that's about the knot I want to get rid of right here in my piriformis. I'm going to hold this for 30 seconds because I want to allow the blood flow to build up in that area, so therefore it can have oxygen. And yeah, and it hurts really bad, but it's all good because I'm getting rid of that tension, okay? So you're going to hold for 30 seconds on each side. I'm going to take the lacrosse ball, and I'm going to hit my other side now. And I'm going to cross my left foot over my right. Yep, and that's where the tension is right here. That's the knot I found in my piriformis. I'm going to hold this for 30 seconds. I'm going to release all of that tension and that buildup of some muscle damage that you get through lifting. And there we go, and we're going to hold that for 30 seconds. So make sure you guys do your release work before your mobility work and watch your results start to spike.